What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn and today we're gonna learn how to play 8 by Billie Eilish on the good old ukulele. But before we dive into this ukulele tutorial of 8 by Billie Eilish, I just want to mention quickly, if you haven't already, click the red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this. Click it, it will turn gray. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, click the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And most importantly, I would love you forever if you did this. Give this video a big thumbs up because that tells YouTube, oh, this video is valuable, it's good, it's awesome. Let's share it out to people who don't know who Ricky is. So that's how we grow on YouTube. So I would love you forever if you did. Also leave a comment below letting me know what you thought of this tutorial, or if you have any future recommendations for songs or anything like that. I'd love to read them and I also love to respond to them. And finally, if you do like this video and you maybe learn something, follow me on Instagram, just at Ricky Somborn. I always love to share you guys when you play ukulele or anything that's related to any of these tutorials or play-alongs or whatever. So just make sure to tag me in your posts, your Instagram stories, and I will share them out. I think we just passed 48,000 Instagram members. So if you want to be part of that family, then follow me on Instagram. But with all that said and done, let's learn how to play 8 by Billie Eilish on the good old ukulele. So this song is fairly easy in that it only has 4 chords and they're all really easy. The first chord that we need is a C. The second chord that we need is a C major 7. The next chord is an F. And the last chord is a G. So if you know how to play all those 4 chords, you're like, Ricky, I know how to play them. Let's move on to the strumming or the mini play along. I'll actually put a skip to right here, so you can skip to whatever section that you want. So again, right here, and you can skip ahead. You won't hurt my feelings if you skip ahead. But if you don't know how to play those chords and you're like, Ricky, I don't know how to play a C or C major 7 or an F or G, help me. This is what this video is for. We're gonna go step by step on how to play each chord, and then we'll move on to the strumming and then the mini play along. So let's go ahead and pick up our ukulele. As you can see, this one is a really cool one. It is from Enya. It's the Nova series. They were so awesome to send me this ukulele, and I absolutely love it. Highly recommend if you want to go check it out for yourself. I'll leave a link to the Enya website and also to the Amazon link that you could find this ukulele. I think it's $85 now, so it's really affordable, and it's made out of carbon fiber, so it has a really awesome sound. So let's go ahead and pick up our ukulele. The first thing I do want to mention is that we are going to number the string. So the top string is going to be the 4th string, and then the next one down is the 3rd, next one down is the 2nd, and the last one at the bottom, this one, we're going to name that the 1st string. And then you're going to see, well, you can sort of see on this ukulele, but on your ukulele, you should have these markers, right, on the fretboard, and these are going to be separating the frets. So you'll have the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and so on. It's a little bit hard to see on this ukulele because they are painted black, but if you have, I'm just gonna show you on a different uke. So if you can see here, so you can see right here, you have these markers right here, right? So this would be 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and so on. But for the Enya one, they have painted black, which I think looks cool as well. So that's how we're gonna sort of talk about where to put the finger position. So the first chord that we need is a C, and how I like to play it is I like to take my ring finger, which is the finger next to your pinky, and I'm gonna place it on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is a C major 7, and how I like to play it is I like to play it with my middle finger, and I'm gonna put my middle finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how I play this one is I take my middle finger and I place it on the 4th string, which again is the top string. So you're placing your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and then you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need is the G chord. So how I like to play it is I'm going to take my pointer finger and I'm going to put it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And then you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So if you want to pause this video and sort of get familiar with the chords and the finger positioning for each chord, highly recommend just pause and maybe give yourself 10-15 minutes to just really get comfortable of knowing where your finger should be. And let's talk about strumming next. So the strumming for this song is fairly easy. I'm going to lay down the C chord, which again is the 1st string, 3rd fret, and we're going to go down, down, up, down, up. So let's do it again with the C chord down in 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up, down, up. So let's do this 3 times just in a row. So in 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So this song, she really plays it with a slow tempo. So it really would just be like, wait a minute, and then change. Let me finish. I know you don't care, but can you listen? So it really is a slow tempo. You can do it faster if you want to go. Wait a minute, let me finish. You know you don't care. Let me finish. So it really is your own preference. You can slow it down, make it faster. I think in the original cover that I did right when this song came out, I did it a little bit faster tempo. But for the play along, actually, I'm going to do also a full play along with the lyrics and chords on the screen. If you want to see that, I'll link it right up here. It just says click here for full play along. Definitely go show that video some love if you want. Yeah, I did the slower tempo and it sounded really good, I think. It's probably a biased opinion, but you know what? I liked it. So that is the strumming pattern, just down, down, up, down, up. So now that we've talked about the chords and the strumming, let's quickly talk about the actual chord sequence of this song. Again, it's very simple. It's literally just C, C major 7, F, and then G. So if you memorize that chord C, C major 7, F, and G, you know the entire song. It's literally just C, C major 7, F, and then G. So that is the chord sequence for this entire song. It's super easy. I know a lot of different songs, the sequence changes, but this one is literally just that sequence for the entire song. So fairly easy to memorize. So congratulations, you now know how to play 8 by Billie Eilish on the good old ukulele. Again, thank you so much to Enya for sending me the Nova series. I absolutely love it. I know they come in different colors. I think it's obviously blue, and then it comes in black, white, orange, and pink. So definitely go check them out if you want. Again, I'll leave the link to the Amazon link as well, so you can go check it out, read everything about it, see all the different colors. And it comes with a strap, capo, and strings as well. So highly recommend this uke, and it just looks really cool. And the actual sound hole is at the top, so it kind of projects it more to you so you can hear it more, which is awesome. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this ukulele tutorial. If you did like it, again, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. You've watched this video for like a few minutes now, so I think you kind of like me. So if you have watched until this point and you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. It wouldn't hurt. It's free. And again, follow me on Instagram. Tag me in any of the posts. I love to share with my audience of almost we just passed 48,000. Crazy. But yeah, tag me in a post, Instagram story, whatever you want. tag me and I will share it with my audience. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. I love making these videos for you. And again, let me know in the comments below what you thought, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.